Good day, this is my third video. Ipapakita ko ang marketing plan ng Royal. Very basic lang ito. And after this, my next video tayo para sa multiple accounts. Ito ang basic and Royal marketing plan. Upon paying your 14,490, Royal will give you a web page that you can monitor your company A and company B. Every time na makakabenta ka ng isang package, for example, mabentahan mo halimbawa yung kapatid mo, your sister mo, at you decided na ilagay siya under your company A. Every time na nakakabenta ka ng package, Royal will give you 1,610 pesos as your direct sales commission, plus a 150 PPV. Meaning to say, under your Team A organization, you already have your sister plus your 150 PPV. Another one, makabenta ka ulit ng isang package and you decided na ilagay under your Team B organization. Again, pag ikaw ang nakakabenta ng package, you're going to have your 1,610 pesos as your direct sales commission, plus a 150 PPV. This is our basic system. Every time na meron kang 150 PPV from your Team A and 150 PPV from your Team B, nagkakaroon tayong tinatawag na Team Match Sales Bonus. Magmamatch yung 150 PPV from Team A and 150 PPV from Team B, at may additional ka na tinatawag naming match sales bonus of 2,100 pesos. To summarize it, sa dalawang makukuha mo, may 1,610 ka at 1,610 as your direct sales commission, total of 3,220 pesos, plus the team match sales bonus of 2,100 pesos, a total of 5,320 pesos sa dalawang direct na makukuha mo.